Oh, the fin broke off.
What? What broke off?
One of the fins.
Oh yeah. Cruising here with Norbert after I flew with Soggy, Toast, or Sam, and Ross. And yeah, just to update you guys, the video that I did with Abisai, the interview, it was released, and I'll post it in the link in post the link in the description below. And yeah, otherwise, I'm making a New Year's resolution video right now. It's gonna be coming up on New Year's Day, so look out for that. And yeah, I guess now we're gonna go fly by a bridge, and yeah, here we go. Well, Norbert just crashed his quad into the canal. Right there. And there's the GoPro right there. And yeah, we're gonna have to find a way to retrieve that, especially because that's the last session we've got between us, so yeah, here we go. Well, we somehow managed to get the quad back up, but the session's still down there, which is a big problem. Already in the gully now. Well, just an update. Me and Norbert made it to the bottom of the canal, and we're gonna have to hike back up a long way to go retrieve that GoPro session. So yeah, I hope it's worth it. Yeah, we got it, and it has the Umma grip there too. That's cool.
Still flew off.
The what?
With the Umma grip.
Yeah. Oh my god, you gotta improve your product. It's not working. Dude.
That took 30 minutes.
Okay.
Wanna fly?
Yeah, let's go. Okay, update. We found Norbert's last session, and it was still recording, which is pretty nice. It took us about 30 minutes to get there, and yeah, also found this golf ball, and because we're already down here, I guess we're gonna fly a few packs just to chill, and yeah, here we go.
Oh, the fin broke off.
What? What broke off?
One of the fins.
Oh yeah. Where did it crash? Oh, is that part of it?
Yeah. Wait, yeah.
Wait, hold on. Hold on. This thing came off, I think. Is that you? And was it missing a, wait, hold on. Was it missing a blue thing, a blue propeller?
Yeah, but
It already was?
yeah, just give it to us. So
What do you want me to do?
Just drop it.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. 1, 2, 3.
All right. Thank you very much.
Oh, missed it.
All right, it's okay.
Thank you.
It's already been smushed, so I'm gonna have to replace it. Thank you very much.
Merry Christmas.